Genuine Kyla.
What's up, kitchen gangers? How y'all doing? It's a brand new year. We made it to 2021, and I just want to say, guys, I got some of my friends and my family to wish you some good cheer and some blessing for the new year. So do enjoy. Stay tuned.
Happy New Year, kitchen gangers!
New Year, kitchen gangers!
Happy New Year, kitchen gangers!
Genuine Kyla.
Happy New Year, kitchen gangers!
Happy New Year, kitchen gangers!
Happy New Year, kitchen gangers! Happy New Year, kitchen gangers!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, kitchen gangers!
Happy New Year, kitchen gangers!
Happy New Year, kitchen gangers! Yes!
I want to send greetings to my mom, my dad, my sister, and my friend Shania. I also want to send greetings to all my family across the world. And I wish you a happy new year. I love you. Bye.
Ramon Introlani right here in my backyard. Yeah, man. I just want to wish for you a prosperous, productive, and successful 2021 and beyond to you and your family. I want to wish for you God's richest blessings and that it will just be a season of you walking boldly into your season. Hey, let's make it a great one. Let's make it one that we'll never forget. I want to send a big shout out to Moya's Kitchen as well. Girl, you did so well this year, and I wish for you a great year for 2021. Hey, I want to send a shout out to my family and my friends right here at home and abroad. I want to wish for you as well a successful and blessed 2021. Love you, love you, love you. Happy New Year, guys!
Made it to 2021. This is your girl, Royally Ginger. And I want to say, you know what? We're walking in quietly? Yes. We're walking in single file? Yes. We're not touching anything? Yes. But guess what? For 2021, we're prepared. 2020 was training day. And to all my family, all my friends, fellow kitchen gangers out there, in 2021, we're claiming happiness. We're claiming joy. We're claiming success. We're claiming blessing. We're claiming good skin. All these wonderful things for 2021. Peace out, 2020. Here we go, 2020.
Wishing you all the best for the new year as it approaches. May it be filled with lots of positivity, prosperity, and peace. Special New Year greetings and blessings to my mom, my dad, my sister Jadale, and Ramon. And to all of Moya's kitchen gang, God's blessings. Goodbye.
Hey, kitchen gangers! Happy New Year! Happy 2021! Just wanted to share love, wishing you and yours a healthy, happy, prosperous, successful, productive 2021. And like our host says, big up your nice, clean self. Have a great year, everyone. Looking forward to seeing you. Looking forward to seeing content. Looking forward to flourishing together. Peace out.
Genuine Kyla. Happy New Year from China. Genuine Kyla. Happy New Year from China.
Happy New Year, kitchen gangers! Cheers to a better 2021.
Hey lamb chops, hey kitchen gangers, I hope everybody's doing amazing. I know this year, 2020 has been a very trying year, but we have overcome through the grace and goodness of God. And as we move into a new year, I pray for God's richest blessing. I pray for good health. I pray for prosperity. I pray for newness and new opportunities. And as we go on, just go through, just cook and just support each other and just love each other. I just pray that God will be at the forefront. Take care of yourself. Lami, big up yourself.
Wagwan, how you doing? How was 2020? I know 2020 was not what I was expecting. However, I think it was a good year because it definitely showed that we are stronger than we actually think. I just want to say all the best this year, sending lots of hugs, kisses, happiness, joy, peace, and all the good things them that this year 2021 has to offer. Also, I want to give a shout out to my mother and my father, Denton and Mavis Webb. Also, my sister, Laniege, and my brother-in-law, Javan. And also, from the Webb's family, just want to, big up the Johnson's family. You know that we adore you guys. We love each and every one of you guys. So, as I leave today, all the best, great wishes, big up. Mwah.
Kitchen Gangers! First, we'd like to say Happy New Year to the Johnsons and the Mullins family. Happy New Year to my family, Blackwood family, Malcolm's family. Happy New Year, guys. Also, Trishna, my church family. French Park New Testament Church. Hey. Happy New Year to the Wilsons family. Happy New Year, Haley. Love you. And don't forget, Happy New Year, Epping Forest New Testament. Wishing you all a prosperous New Year. A nice, clean cell.
From King Cuddy. 2020, I must admit, was so challenging. Many obstacles we've been through, but guess what, guys? We've made it. And let's hope for the best for 2021. Stay safe, stay focused, stay determined, but most of all, always remember to keep a smile on your face.
God bless here, guys. Wishing you all the very best for the new year, and I just want to say thank you so much for your continuous support that you have been showing me over these few months, guys. I appreciate it, and I'm just wishing you guys nothing but the best, happiness, just everything nice, you understand? For the support from right across the world, from the UK, from the USA, from Canada, from Japan. I mean, the support is across the globe, and I am forever grateful. So thank you so much, and all the very best for the new year.
And right now at 3,000 or above 3,000 subscribers, it would not be possible without all you people. And so 2020 was a good year despite of what happened, and 2021 will be even better. Just love, peace and happiness to all. We love you.
We love y'all. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining and staying until the end. Big up your nice, clean self. Big up on yourself, yeah. And if you have not done so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Tell me something nice. Send your best wishes and all of that for the Kitchen Gangers across the world. Enough love. Until then, goodbye. Bye, 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 bye. Be open yourself. Love you. Love you. Love you.